Failing to master this means you're always the last one to know when servers go down, and in a world where automation is key, manual execution of Ansible playbooks can lead to a lack of visibility, accountability, and reliability. What it does. Ansible AWX is an open-source web-based interface for Ansible that provides a centralized platform for managing and automating infrastructure, applications, and services. It allows users to create and manage playbooks, inventories, and workflows, and provides features such as scheduling, auditing, and team collaboration. Command/example. Breaking it down. The installation process involves installing the necessary packages, including EPEL Release, Ansible Tower, and AWX. The configuration process involves running migrations, creating a super user, and starting the AWX task and AWX web services. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly configuring the database, which can lead to errors during the migration process. Another mistake is not creating a super user, which can prevent access to the web interface. Try this next. Create a new project in Ansible AWX by navigating to the web interface and clicking on the Projects tab. Then, click on the Add button and fill in the required information, such as the project name and description. What it does. Job templates in Ansible AWX allow users to define a set of parameters and options for running a playbook, such as the playbook file, inventory, and credentials. Command/example. Breaking it down. The job template creation process involves specifying the name, job type, inventory, project, and playbook file. The inventory and project IDs can be obtained by navigating to the Inventories and Projects tabs in the web interface, respectively. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not specifying the correct inventory or project ID, which can lead to errors during job execution. Another mistake is not properly configuring the playbook file, which can prevent the job from running successfully. Try this next. Create a new inventory in Ansible AWX by navigating to the Inventories tab and clicking on the Add button. Then, fill in the required information, such as the inventory name and description. What it does. Inventories in Ansible AWX allow users to define a set of hosts and groups, which can be used to target specific machines during job execution. Command/example. Breaking it down. The inventory creation process involves specifying the name and description of the inventory. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly configuring the hosts and groups in the inventory, which can lead to errors during job execution. Try this next. Create a new workflow in Ansible AWX by navigating to the Workflows tab and clicking on the Add button. Then, fill in the required information, such as the workflow name and description. What it does. Workflows in Ansible AWX allow users to define a set of jobs and transitions, which can be used to automate complex processes. Command/example. Breaking it down. The workflow creation process involves specifying the name and description of the workflow. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly configuring the jobs and transitions in the workflow, which can lead to errors during workflow execution. Pro tip. When creating workflows, it's essential to properly test and validate each job and transition to ensure that the workflow executes correctly and as expected, and to avoid common mistakes such as incorrect job ordering or missing dependencies.